Oh, look at that smash. That's a big one, baby.
Simply Midwest fishing.
Yee. Guys, tonight we're going fishing at the creek. A little different kind of adventure. We're going to take a little hike. We're going to do some creek fishing, hoping to get on some smallmouth tonight. We got a little buddy here. Say, what's up, Rye? Riley's coming to fish with me. She loves it. We'll see what's going on. Maybe some smallies. You never know, you might get a gar. Who knows what's going to happen down here. Let's get it done. It's going to be fun. Let's do it. All right, y'all. We're going to start this little trip on a hike. Get down to a good spot. We're going to wade the creek a little bit. What do you think, Riley? What are we going to catch? Try the Whopper Plopper. No, I ain't tried the Whopper Plopper in the creek. You're missing out. Alright, y'all. I think we found the juice. Let me show you guys something here in a second. Here, right. Alright. This right here is going to be the juice. We're at the creek, but if you look over here, we've got a little water treatment plant over here that's flowing fresh water back into the creek. I think over in this spot it's going to be deep and the fish are going to be bunched up there. So let's see what happens. It's time to fish, guys. Let's do it. I want to get to that spot. Oh, look at that smash. That's a big one, baby. Heck yeah. Smash that Whopper Plopper. Come on, buddy. Woo! That's a big one. Watch out, Riley. Move, Riley. Move, Riley. Holy crap, man. That is a good smallie out of the creek, man. Woo! Riley, move. Look at that fatty. Holy crap. Look at that thing. A freaking Whopper Plopper. Now that is a smallie. That is what I'm talking about. Hope y'all can see that. That is a tank. Out of the creek. Say what's up, smallie. That right there is a freaking chunk creek smallie. That is awesome. Look at you, boy. Alright, get a release on him. See if Riley goes and gets him. There he goes. Riley, you are terrible, girl. Come on. We're back again. Bump, banana.
Oh my God, we're back again.
Let's do it. That was a good smallie. Let's get another one. I think Riley has more fun than I do. What do you think, girl? Uh-huh. Oh, no. In the tree. In the tree. Tell you what, if you don't throw it in the tree, you don't know what you're doing. Easy money. Easy money. Alright, we're in like the slaunch zone right now, guys. Look at this spot. I'm gonna throw one right over here real quick. We're gonna look at this calm water up there. This Whopper Plopper's gonna kill it. If you are going to the creek and you're hiking a little bit, you can't tell me the fishing point's your best friend. Look at this. Spider webs everywhere. Ah! Woo! Yeah, son, we got it done today. That was awesome. Got a nice big old smallie out of this creek. Those are fun, man. I'm telling you. Those fight hard. It crashed the Whopper Plopper. What a good time. Got to bring the dog out with me. Hey, it's Simply Midwest Fishing. This is what we do. Thanks for watching, guys, though, for real. Go ahead and subscribe for us. Really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.
We listen to